Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unzip files in Google Drive. If you've ever struggled with ZIP files, this quick tutorial will make it easy. Start by opening Google Drive and locating the ZIP file you want to extract. Click on it to select it, then look at the top of the screen and click Open With. Choose ZIP Extractor. If it's not listed, click Connect More Apps to find it. The first time you use Zip Extractor, you'll need to authorize it. Follow the prompts and select your Google account. This allows the app to access your drive safely. Once authorized, open your ZIP file within ZIP Extractor. Confirm your file selection, then click Extract to Drive. The app will unpack your files into a new folder in Google Drive. And that's it. Your files are now unzipped and ready to use, neatly stored in a new folder. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.